Phil Keoghan of Tough as Nails and The Amazing Race, our guest co-host on The Four today. And Phil, you have a book that you wrote some years back called Now, No Opportunity Wasted.
Yes, all about the now, about getting out there and getting the most out of life, taking advantage of experiences. And today, Derek and I, we had the opportunity to visit a Minnesota construction site, meet some of the tough men and women who are just not afraid of getting their hands dirty.
So, Phil, we're in Hopkins, Minnesota. This is an incredible job site for the Blake School. They're building an early elementary center here, but we're going to go inside and see all the hard work that Minnesotans are doing to make this happen.
We've got a perfect day for it, which is nice. And what I know about the tradespeople across the country, the skill level is phenomenal. It doesn't matter where you go in the world, there are people with these amazing life skills. And I have no doubt that the people working here have those life skills.
Well, let's go catch up with Kelly. She's the project manager here.
Yeah, she's in charge apparently.
Our Mortensen craft, we have about 33% of the work on this project is self-perform work. So the masonry outside, the timber that you saw erected, all the finished carpentry work is done by our team.
Over 36,000 man-hours have gone into this project so far.
This is the movement studio, which in a larger age group would be a gym, but it's more for like small movement and dancing and yoga and that kind of thing.
With the ceiling, it's kind of like a fluffy finish that you got on there. What is that?
It is called sauna spray, so it's a recycled paper and glue product that sprays on and then it hardens. It has acoustical value, it's recyclable.
While learning about the project, we learned why Phil and his wife Louise created the show to honor hardworking heroes.
My grandfather was a carpenter. My other grandfather was a auto mechanic. They were really the inspiration for this show that I do called Tough as Nails.
The job site also serving as a perfect place to cast future contestants.
Jason, let me feel your handshake. Squeeze. Oh yeah, definitely got the strength. Is this your work here?
This is.
Okay, so you got the life skills. Do you have strength, endurance, agility, mental toughness, and life skills to be on Tough as Nails?
I think I do.
Are you ready to represent your community?
Sure, yep.
This is what I came for, I guess. Jim, you thought you could escape, didn't you?
We also found out why workers like journeyman carpenter Jim Lupke watch.
You're stuck, Jim. You got to talk to us. I'm Phil.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Do you know Tough as Nails?
Yes, the wife wrangles me into watching it all the time. So.
Oh, is that the only reason you watch? Because your wife says you have to?
No, but she likes it, and she likes you, so.
Oh, well.
If you went home and Phil Keoghan was here and you had the opportunity to talk to him and you skipped out on that, I don't think your wife would be too happy with you.
Probably not.
Jim, where's your phone? Let's send a message to Barb. I've just ambushed your husband, and I just want to thank you for forcing your husband to watch Tough as Nails. If it wasn't for people like you, nobody would watch the show. And I know your husband's probably reluctant. I know he's probably difficult to live with at times. But he does love you, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell her.
I love you.
Lupke has worked at Mortensen for over 25 years and shared what he does to honor his family on every project.
I have a little tradition where I write my kids' names and grandkids' names in glue or something, and that goes on the back of a panel or wherever it can't be seen, but their names are involved in it.
That's beautiful. Mortensen, like Phil and the Tough as Nails team, understands the need for trade workers in Minnesota and across America.
Good pay, rewarding work, you get life skills. Yeah, there's a lot of rewards.
Thank you for spreading the word. It's a great business to be in. We do a great job locally, but we'd like to spread that word around the country to find more people that are going to replace the great craft workers that you saw in our building today.
Wow.
Yeah, quite a building, too. Mortensen started construction on the Early Learning Center in April of 2022. They will complete the project on August 11th. And Phil Kelly was telling us today they're going to come in a week early. They're going to be done before the set time. Yeah.
Well, I want to give a shout out to you, Derek, and also the cinematographer, Tom, because we whipped in there and shot that story like in a flash. And I'm super impressed with how quickly you got it all together. Really nice. Thank you. It was great. It was just it's just really nice to meet people out on a construction site like that. I've just whipped into town and I got to meet some great people.
Sending videos to people's wives. Yeah.
And thank you, Barb. If you're watching, thank you, Barb, for forcing your husband. And I hope he said I love you when he got home. I hope he did.
Otherwise, you can force it again if you need to.
Oh, cool. Barb, you just let me know, okay, if he doesn't behave himself.
No, it was a blast, and what I love is, I mean, this truly is a passion for you.
Oh, yeah.
And also making sure that other people get into the trades and that kids are aware that these are good paying jobs,
Very good paying
careers
jobs.
that you can have for life.
Yeah, there's a lot of kids that maybe don't have direction. They don't really know where to go. They think that the only answer is college. Education is absolutely crucial, but education can come in different forms. And being an apprentice and learning a skill, a life skill, which you can take anywhere. You can use that and work anywhere in the world with good carpentry skills. You can work anywhere. And so, yeah, I just like the idea that we encourage young boys and girls to think about some of the trade options.
Yes.
Like you said, you get the health care, you get the support, get those life skills, last forever.
Yeah.
And hearing your family backstory too was super interesting in your connection to the trades.